Hello guys, welcome to the Luo Online and welcome to this video. I hope you're doing fine right now. So in this video, I'm going to take you through what is so much alarming right now. Again, Eddy Kenzo took to Parliament that he wants 90% of music played on the TVs and radio stations to be local content. That means Ugandan music. He was escorted by several of his supporters or his subjects to make that petition in Parliament. Earlier this year, Eddy Kenzo made a proposal to the association that bars, hotels, TV stations and radio should pay for the music that they play. It faced a lot of backlash and criticism from many citizens, including many musicians. Now, after he realized, among other criticisms that people made, it was that people would opt for international music. People, instead of playing local content in a bar, to pay for each single song in a hotel, on TV and radio, people will shift to playing international content like Calm Down by Rema, you know that, and Ameno by Goya Mano, that is the Amapiano. So that means people leave the local content, and it implies the upcoming artists would suffer more, while also the upgrown artists would see their revenue gone down. After realizing that this thing would not go far, Eddy Kenzo has decided to take it to Parliament to make a petition that 90% of contents be played, only local content. Now, you see where stupidity and trick again comes in. Now, the most greedy angle of Eddy Kenzo's leadership is Eddy Kenzo learned that people would shift to international content. Now he said, no, let me not start with the local content. Let me start by locking out the international contents. Remember, Uganda's music does not cross border. Even Eddy Kenzo himself, when he goes abroad, he is going to the Bantus who are in Dubai, Middle East and the rest. Not going to fill Manchester Stadium like Burna Boy did, because first of all, he uses that language of his, the local one, which cannot go anywhere. So Eddy Kenzo now plans to stop people from loving international songs, from loving songs which are not Ugandan. Then I think after maybe 3 to 5 years, if people are already through the force of the law, if Parliament makes it go through, if people now are playing the low content, they will bring back the other idea of bars, TVs, radios, hotels and the rest paying for those local contents. That time it would be difficult again to go back to the national content, because people will not even be following it, of which that trick will fail. And again, I don't think the members of Parliament will give even 1% to the local content. People should be free. There should be sovereignty in the media. Eddy Kenzo is trying to force the media to produce something they don't want to produce. Eddy Kenzo wants to make a law which is very oppressive to pass through. Eddy Kenzo wants this petition which would crush a lot of international relationship with other entertainment abroad to go through. So it's a high time the music fraternity comes to wake up that Eddy Kenzo is not the right person. Either he's being used by somebody who has brought up, or he is just not sound-minded. Now, the reason of promoting local music. How do you promote local music? Locally. Means you are not focusing on foreign exchange. You just want your Kampala people to listen to the Kampala music and the rest. What if now? Now, if that thing is to go through, then each and every district should also come with a bylaw. 90%, for example, in Gulu and Kibu, 90% of the music played on TVs and radios in Gulu should be local content of Gulu origin. Yes. Now that's how you start feeling it, because the one of Eddy Kenzo would not be a Gulu song. So let us also pass that bylaw, and you start reasoning that that idea is stupid. Music is not promoted in that way. We want to see Eddy Kenzo you sing in English before great crowds in Manchester, in Wembley Stadium, filling Wembley Stadium. Why are you spoiling that relationship internationally? So this is something that Ugandans and also the legislators must be very wise. If not, Eddy Kenzo is here to crash the industry. Bye-bye.